Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today I'm bringing to you an easy ombre nail design. Without wasting time, let's just get started. So to start, I'll get my nail and give it one coat of a hot orange color. Then I'll go ahead and cure it under the UV. Next, I'll come in with a hot pink color at the tip. Without drying it, I'll come in with the same orange color at the lower part. I'll get a fine brush and start blending the two colors at the gradient. I'll do it in such a way that the upper color descends gently into the lower color. So after I'm done, I'll come in with a glossy top coat. And here we are. I hope I did help you and I hope you are going to give this a try. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.